Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see, guys, here, that Monday candle, as you see it, what it's showing to us here, guys. What me I told in the last video, guys. People they being with us. By the way, the candle it's not yet finished, so we need to wait how it's going to finish. If it's finished red like that, we're going to see all the way the Bitcoin is going higher, guys. Believe me when I tell you that. And if it finish showing here a little bit as if it's going to go higher, maybe you're going to see the Bitcoin it dropping, guys. So till now it's still very early for us to say it's going to go higher or to go lower, but that the first analysis about that. And here in the daily we still have here that channel as you see it here. We still have it here like that. As you see, we touch the top of it, and now as you see here, guys, and I want to show you something else. Look here, guys, at that level of us here, what the chart is doing here as you see it. Let's zoom it a little bit for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see, guys, here, what that candle is showing here in that level. It's showing here a rejection, guys. So let's hope from here the Bitcoin it will give us another wave to go higher and to break for all that last high here. And that one is going to be a very good signal, guys. That means us we still going higher. So look here, let me show it to you. Look here. That's a high. Over here a low. Now it give us another high. So if it give us here now a low, then it came and breaking for us the last high. That one is a higher high, guys. Yes or no? Look at it. It's very, very clear here. Forget about the past. Also, we're talking just about that zone here, that one. So now we need to see how is it that candle, that daily candle is going to finish. Everything is too clear? By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber, my friend? Yes, you. Are you not yet subscriber? So make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day we put in 2 videos analyzing for you Bitcoin. Every day 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that you're going to be very, very well updated about what the Bitcoin doing right now. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all. So like that when we put in something new you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now it's going to see our indicators, guys, what the same for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in our indicator, guys, as you see it, it came to here. Now it's showing here a place of resting. Now either from here is going to fall down to touch here. By the way, touch here today in the middle of the day, it touch here. Now it's showing as if it's going to here. That's why I told you need to wait in the candle when the candle close, because that one it follow the momentum of the candle or the volume of the candle. So now either to come down till here to touch here, then after that we're going to see it going up, or without to come from here from that level to go back up. So let's waiting, guys. The good news here, also we still above that long-term trend, and here it's showing us we break it. And also here we are in the control of the bulls. That one is something good, guys. But when we go into 4 hours, you're going to see something different. That's why I told you there is no entry yet. So let's go in there and see what is it there, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Let's go in now to the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours, guys. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. Here in the 4 hours, what did I told you we got here? I told you we got here a triangle like that. We touch the top of it. Now look where we are. So should you buy from here? No, my friend. And what we said else here? We said here we got a flag. Yes or no? It's like that we said it. Here it's breaking. Now it's showing us the one is a false breakout, guys. All the one is a false breakout. Now, also what we need to do, we need to focus on only about that triangle, that one. What the market is going to do. Either to come back up and to break higher here. That means we're going to go more higher, or from here to go back lower and to break for us low, guys. Everything is too clear? And if it came and breaking here higher, guys, what that is going to tell you, guys, look. Here, it's changing that color. Look here, the one here like that. A low here. That means it's going to give you another high, guys. So we need to focus it now only about that last high, which is here, guys. Yes or no? And here, look with me here, where we are now, guys. Look here where we are. You saw it or no? You are in that supply and demand zone here. You are in it again. So either from here we are going to go higher, or now we're going to break it lower, guys. The good news, look at it here. The volume down, it started spiking, but not a lot of volume. I think everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our indicators, guys. What they saying for the picture to be more clear to you. By the way, I know you are a subscriber. You smash the like button, my friend. Go ahead and smash in the like button, helping us. You know that channel without you it can growing up. So please support us. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment, support us, guys. It's not something hard. Just a thumbs up, down, click at it, writing down a comment. Just pause the video now. Go now. Yes, you. Go now. Do it now. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. I appreciate all the help I get from you guys. It's going now to see our indicators, guys, what they saying for pictures to be more clear to you. That one here, if you remember what else we said here, we used to have here a divergence. That's what else we said, and that was pushing the price till here, guys. Yes or no? And here in that place, what happened here? We're breaking down, but now we go back inside, guys. Now either from here, from that level where we are going to go down more. That's when we are going to break that last low, and that is going to tell us we are in downtrend, guys. Or another scenario from here, that level we are going to go back to touch till here, to touch that trend line of the divergence here. Then after that we are going to drop, guys. You get the picture what I'm trying to tell you or no? So now what should you do now at this moment? There is nothing to do. We need to wait in that one either to break higher here in that place or to break lower here. That's the right time for us to think and to make a decision. Now, we are in a place there is nothing to do about it. We just need to wait, guys. And show you yesterday about the FTX and Binance war. And today a lot of people just started withdrawing the money of them from FTX. There's a big problem now. FTX, maybe they are going to hold the withdrawal, or I don't know what's going to happen. It's a big problem for that FTX now. Everything is too clear. It's going now to see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. That one here, if you remember, also we tell you we got here a divergence here in that level. Used to have here a divergence like that. We fall down all that much, guys, as you see it. Should you enter short now? Here in 30 minutes. No, my friend. Here in 30 minutes, if you bring something like that, what you see in here, you can make it like that. That's the downtrend, guys. Or you can even bring it from here, from that one here, like that. That's a downtrend, guys. Also, we haven't even reached to it here. And another thing I told you to focus about it. What is it? I tell you that one. That triangle also we have here. I told you if it came and break a lower here, we will enter short, guys. If it came and breaking higher, we will enter long again. But now also we are here in that level. There is no buying, no selling yet, guys. Those ones, they are just escalators, guys. It might from here, from that level where we are, to go back up to the overbought area, guys. You get what I'm saying or no? That one is just an escalator, guys. You don't need to base your trading about it. I told you it might from here to go back to the overbought. Also basing our trading about the price actions. Price action, we got one, that one. I told you either from here to break up and also we are going to buy again, or to break lower and also we're going to enter short, guys. Everything is too clear? Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you and to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in 30 minutes, guys. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. People, they being with us. Also, we enter short from here, from that level here exactly. Here, the last video used to be here. Now what the Bitcoin is trying to give you here, guys, look at it. That the first shoulder, that the head, and over here another shoulder. Where is the neckline, guys? Here. Neckline is that one. Now, if we came and we break in higher, the 200 moving average, I'm talking the 200 moving average to be broke. Remember that. You enter long again, guys. Take profit. It needs to be here at the last peak here. That one here. Yes or no? And what you got else there? Let me show you. Here in that place, what the market gave you here. It gave you a double bottom, guys. Yes or no? You see it or no? It's very clear. To know it more clear, you change it from candles to line like that. As you see it now, look at the lines. Not the first, not the second, but a double bottom, guys. Yes or no? And you can even draw in there a triangle or a wedge. You just came like that, you change it like that. You came, you do it like that. Now, if we are in 30 minutes, we break in here, the 200 moving average, you enter long, guys. Remember that. If you break in the 200 moving average up, you enter long here in 30 minutes. All those things I said thousands of times. Before me, I told you here, we used to have here one. And I told you if it's breaking, you enter long. Also, we enter here. And I told you something else here. We used to have here a channel. I told you if it's breaking lower, you enter. It's break here till down here, guys. Now you got something here. I show it to you now. You got that one. Look at it. It's very clear here. Triangle, guys. If it came and breaking the higher of it, you enter long. But to be in the safe side, it needs to break the 200 moving average up. How is going to break? A candle going to pass 30 minutes in it, and to close the open of it, it needs to be lower, and the close of it, it needs to be Oh, that's how you're going to be sure it's a breakout. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, guys. What it's saying for picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, first we are here at the oversold area. Level, you are in a very stronger level. I'll show it to you in the 4 hours. So should you buy? Unless if it's breaking higher here. If it doesn't, there is no entry, guys. Our other indicator, what it's saying? Let's see it. The one, guys, as you see it. It enter here at the oversold area. Should you buy? Not yet, guys. Unless if there is a price action. The price action, I'll show it to you. There is no buying yet. It's need to break the 200 moving average for you to buy again. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you when the daily candle finishes. Bye for now, guys.